Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we'll talk about NextEra Energy, company traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name NEE or NEE. NEE is actually interesting company because it's showing consistent long-term waves during its upgrade after the COVID very well depth, and this is the company that shows the so-called second day depth, which is 23rd. Like many companies observed the depth at 16, 17 of March, and this one is showing the depth at 23rd of March. There are companies that did like this, so they did one wave up and then down, showing the final decline at 23rd, and only then started recovery. And this is exactly that company. So the recovery started actually in waves, and if you look for general recovery trends, we see that there is the recovery trend ongoing, but it's going with longer waves. So this is the trend one that we see. It's clearly formed, and it started actually around 23rd of March, when showing like two waves, then slightly been reconfirming a trend one about middle of May, first half of the May, then it really reconfirmed there at 23rd of June, and then started a longer wave, almost 2 month long, and now it's reaching its moving average 20, and now the question is where it will go further. So here we also have three moving averages. It's green, blue, and red line being moving averages 20, 50, and 200. Why is it important here? Because the action price, the price action actually is here formed by not only trend one as a general trend, but also by moving averages dancing around each other, especially 20 and 50. You see they are going like dancing around each other, and then moving average 200, the red line is steadily growing up, and the price is dragged also by this. So this is like a well correlated dancing price is common for some stocks, and here it's exactly that case. So meaning that we need to really look how these moving averages will behave if you want to catch the wave here. And this is important to understand, because if you look also how the waves were finishing, for example, the previous wave, when it was on the top, we almost went to over both situation in RSI. Now when the wave was flattening on the top, the current wave actually about ending of July, also it was an overbought in RSI, and now it's slightly going down. Still RSI is in decline phase, it's not yet stabilized, not yet reset like in the previous wave we had. It was down, then resetting and going up, so we are not yet in this here, so we still need to reset. Therefore the price is slightly declining, and also what is important, the moving average 20 currently is flattening. So it's flat as well, but still moving average 50 and 200 up, going up, and their first derivatives are also positive. Though you see some signs that moving average 50 also might have a tendency to slightly flatten, but it's flattening slower than moving average 20. So most probably price will I don't think it will be a so-called magic cross down when moving average 20 will hit from the top moving average 50, causing the severe decline of the price. Most probably it will be just slowly going in the vicinity of moving average 50 and then going up. I mean the moving average 20 action, exactly as we saw, for example, previously, like here, or like here as well. And the same action is expected here, meaning that the same action price of action is also expected here. So it will be further correction towards moving average, towards trend line one. And also some piercing of it is still possible, because the price is a little bit high, and this wave is not really declining nicely. It's still like a flat decline, so it might take longer time. Therefore, if you want to buy this stock in really good convenience, this would be actually the first entry point on these levels, and then this would be the second line of defense, second line of buying opportunities that might arise for this stock. In that sense, it's a slow gamer, so if there is no catalyst coming, you don't need to be afraid that something immediately will change here. If no catalyst or news coming, it will be slow gamer, so you will see once the price reaches around trend line 1. If RSI is reconfirmed that moment, if MACD is reconfirmed, then you know the new wave is starting, but most probably it will decline further, and then these would be actually, as I said, two buying levels. Also, this is confirmed by the fact that RSI is still in its decline phase. They need to re-establish, but especially MACD, it's a very long initial shoulder downwards wave. Usually it means that there will be another secondary wave deeper, and then it will re-establish itself. You can see similar behavior in the previous wave. It was first longer wave and then some little bit deeper, and then we had another wave here. So it seems like for this stock, it's for recovery behavior, it's kind of normal to have a double wave downwards for MACD and only then crossing upwards. So this is the same as expected here, meaning until this is happening, it will further correct. And this also opens nice buying opportunities for those who want to play this stock. So you know now what to do, and expect some also funds for average down, of course, and be ready to enter either here at level 1 or at level 2. So that's it for NEE. You know what to do now. Good luck with it, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss our new videos and new opportunities to have an interesting trade on US-based stocks. Thank you.